Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a simple necklace, a necklace that you can also use as a scrunchie for your hair. So let's start. Today I'll be using this bead. I'll be using this stretch cord. I'll be using this too, and I'll be using these clamps, bead clamps, to secure the bead. So let's start. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel and leave the comments below. Thank you. So this is the bead. I'm going to trim here. I'm going to tie it. I'll make it very tight. You can use any bead, any size of bead to do this. So I'm going to trim here, trim this extra cord, stretch cord. Trim a little bit there. Okay. And I'm going to use I'll use the bead clamp to seal it. I don't want it to come out. Now close it. So this bead, so it's, because it's stretchy, you can just put it over your head. Okay. So yeah. Easy, and you can also use it as a scrunchie because it's stretchy. So I just use it on my head. I don't know if you can see that. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Till next time.